Why are you laughing, bro?
Because I'm pretty.
Just laughing at you, bro.
Right?
That's because you never eat like that.
What? What?
Hey, what is up guys, Maidah here and welcome back to my channel with another video and another episode of our cooking trips. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Maidah and I claim myself to be called the Drunken Chef. Not because I'm an alcoholic, but there's a reason behind it and I'm gonna tell you soon in my future episodes. But for now, I'm gonna show you a special dish. This is one of the most popular dish of a Japanese cuisine called chicken teriyaki. So tonight's dish, I'm gonna cook you and show you how to make chicken teriyaki, but spicy one. Anyone want spicy? I am. I do. I really do love spicy food. So before we get into it, if you're interested in videos like this, if you like cooking, if you love eating, if you love food, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's dive into our cooking trips. Spicy chicken teriyaki. So how to do it? First, I've got this chicken breast. I've already diced them. Earlier, I've cut them into cubes with similar sizes because this will help the cooking process to cook them evenly at the same time. So I've got here the chicken breast. Marinating the chicken breast, it's very easy. It's just really putting all together. So I've got this soy sauce straight in. So I'm gonna post the recipe for this and all the ingredients down below the description, so check that out. And then I've got here rice vinegar. And then I've got here some minced ginger. Then I've got here some minced garlic. Then I've got here mirin, straight in. And we're just gonna add a little bit of white peppers. Then just mix them all together. And from there, we're gonna add some chili flakes. Just add some chili flakes. You can add as much as you want depending on your spice level. So just mix it. For me, I really want spicy food, so I don't mind putting a lot or adding a lot of chili sauce, chili flakes or whatever. So just marinate this for about 2 hours or overnight, much better. But for now, I'm just gonna marinate it for like an hour and a half. So cooking process, turn on the heat. Make sure your pot is really hot, or your pan. Now we're adding some oil, vegetable oil, and a splash of sesame oil. So make sure it's hot. And now chicken straight into our pan. So after 5 to 7 minutes of cooking, I'm gonna add some Japanese chili flakes. or chili powder. You can find it in any Asian store. So just mix it. And this will take about 12 to 15 minutes cooking time. So just be patient. And from there, we're just gonna add a little bit of salt and a splash of sesame oil. This keeps the food moisture or moist, to have moisture. Just mix it. Oh, you can smell it. It's really, really good. It tastes like you're in Japan or eating in a Japanese restaurant. It's really good. And then just before it gets cooked, I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown sugar just to blend the flavor. And from there, guys, I'm just gonna add the slurry. It's just basically cornstarch or corn flour with, diluted with water. Just add them carefully, slowly. I'm also gonna post the ratio of that slurry down the description. Now it's time to plate our spicy chicken teriyaki. Alright, so I've got brown rice, but you can also use white rice or sushi rice, Japanese rice, up to you guys. And I've got this bean sprout, I've got steamed broccoli. I prepared this earlier, I've cut it, I've washed it, and then steam it. And then I've got spring onions and sesame seed for garnish, and of course I've got my spicy chicken teriyaki over here. And now it's time to plate. First, our rice. Just put on the side. I think that's enough for me, but up to you. You can put a lot of rice if you want, and let's just add a little bit more. And then I'll have my bean sprout on the side. Like that. I love bean sprout, especially if it's really, really fresh. And I've got here the steamed broccoli, just on the side like that as well. Just 4 or 5 pieces would do to me. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Another one. And of course, our chicken teriyaki, the spicy chicken teriyaki, sorry. Just add them here. Let me show you. Add more. And then we're just gonna add some sesame seeds on top. And the spring onions. Just on the top like that. Alright you guys, you know the drill. It's time to eat this delicious spicy teriyaki rice bowl. Yeah. So look at that. Look at that. That always happens. Sorry guys. It's still clean though, so. It's so good. The freshness of all the vegetables is just amazing. It's really good. This is so amazing. I really love this dish. It's really good. Right timing because I'm really craving for Japanese food, and this makes my dinner really complete, my whole day actually. So broccoli, it's just the flavor is really well balanced. I love the soy, the sweetness, the sour from the rice vinegar. It's just really good. You can't stop eating it. Chicken, bean sprout. Hear that sound? The crunchiness, brown rice. Hey guys, eating time.
I'll help you.
So we're actually having dinner now. Everyone's grabbing their food. So eating this chicken teriyaki. Is this yours? Wow, really? See you later, guys. Have a good night.